Okay, so doing some Cold War problems, and I did a basic one. It's like a level 7, which is kind of like a level 2, I guess. But so the problem is essentially GPS keeps track of a car, and every X seconds, so in this case 15 seconds, it'll make a recording of the distance traveled, and it's arbitrary, so it can be kilometers, meters, miles, inches, or whatever. And what you want to do is you want the function wants to return the highest average or the floor of the maximum average speed for each of those increments. So every 15 seconds, how fast was the car going? Again, I want to figure out which one was going the fastest. So in this case, you can see first 15 seconds, I went like 0.19 kilometers. And then the second one, the subtracting would be 0.31. And what you get is something like this for average miles per hour, whatever, kilometers per hour. And then you want to return the highest, which would be 74. And then apparently you want to round it. I don't quite understand it, but to 74. So first you just, the code here, just maybe to run through it, just here are the edge cases. If the length, if you had no recordings, that means it's 0. And if you had one recording, that's the length of one recording. If it was 0, then you just return 0. Also, you just, with that one recording, you want to get miles per hour of the distance traveled, and you round it, and then you turn it into an int and return it. So then the fun stuff here, so essentially you want to go through this list here and then subtract this from this, this from this, this from this, this from this, and get those values and append it to like your hours traveled, pretty much. What you do is you just take a while loop and you look through abutting indexes, and then you subtract those indexes and you times it by get the miles per hour, and then you just append it to this hour traveled. So and when you got all the hours, miles per hour traveled, kilometers traveled, whatever you want to call it, you just return the biggest one and you round it, and then you return the int form of it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So if you run the example here, yeah, so pass all tests. So like these are the tests right here, apparently. I don't know what this U variable is, but yeah, and then the edge cases here at the bottom. If you had no recordings in this X, it just returns 0. And then that, if you have one recording, but that means you always have to start at 0. So I could actually refactor this. That if the length of X equals 0 or 1. So I think, let me try this quick. For length of X 1, we just do, or you could do less than or equal to, and this should work too. Yep, so yeah, cool. But that's it, so